Hello again. Today's lesson we're going to look at the total surface area of both square and rectangular pyramids and also of cones. You have it here. I brought my calculator this time, so that's a bonus. So we begin by looking at the total surface area of a cone, and again, as I said in last lesson, total surface area is the outside, all the area around the outside. So if you look at a cone here, like an ice cream cone, so basically you can have a circle on the bottom, and then you have a triangle, but that's a 3D triangle coming up off it. So let's say here the radius of this is, I'm going to call it 5 centimeters, and then the slope here is 12 centimeters. Okay, so the formula for TSA of cone is equal to pi r by r plus s. Right? So r is obviously the radius, r is equal to the radius is 5, and then s here is the slope. So this is the slope here, s equals 12. So step 1 is formula, then we'll substitute in. So pi stays the same, times r, pi r is 5 bracket r plus s, pardon me, 5 plus 12. So, and then last bit we solve, so it's pi by 5 plus 12 is 17, 550, so that's 85, so it's 85 pi. Use my calculator this time, which I brought with me. So pi times 85 pi here, press the double button, answer is 267.0, and if I go to two decimal places, the 5, so the 3 becomes a 4. And again here we've got centimeters, so again here we need, that's a 6 by the way, again here we need centimeters, so centimeters squared. Next one we look at is the square base pyramid. So my drawing may not be exactly ideal here, however, imagine this to be a square, and then there's things coming off it, etc. coming off it. So formula of a square base pyramid, so we call this the length, this is the width, and then the height up here, that's h, right? Let's say for this example we have pardon me, base, that was the next one, I got confused, base, and then height is here. So the base here, let's say, is 10 centimeters, obviously it's square, so it's 10 here as well, and then the height is, I'm going to call the height 12 centimeters. So for a square base pyramid, square, so the formula is square pyramid is equal to b squared plus 2bh. So if you think about it, b squared is the area of the base here. So we'll substitute next, so 2 substitution, so it's 10 squared plus 2 times 10 times h is 12, we know, and then we solve, we know 10 to be 100, 10 12 is 120, 220 is 240, and then we solve it here as 340, and again it's surface area, so it's centimeters squared. The last one we're going to look at today, is TSA of a rectangular prism or rectangular pyramid. So imagine here the length is a good bit longer, comes to a point, goes to a point here, comes to a point here, comes to a point here. Again, my drawing is not amazing. You don't get marks for drawing in maths, luckily me, so that's a good thing. So here we have the, let's say that's 6 centimeters, this is 8 centimeters because it's a rectangle, and then the height here, let's say it is 7 centimeters. So this is the length. This is called the length. This is called the width, and then this here is the height. So length, height, width, height, and then the formula for a rectangular. So one formula. So rec the pyramid. Rectangular pyramid is length by width plus length by height plus width by height. In your lesson, in your maths lesson, I explain how this formula comes about. Basically, it's the area of the base, so length by width. Then, because you've got two triangles either side, it's because the formula for a triangle is normally half base times height. So, for example, this one, width times height would be one triangle. Because there's one on the other side, you're timesing it by 2, and 2 times a half is 1. So that's where it comes from. If you don't really understand that right now, don't worry, it will be explained in class also. So here in the second step we do is we always substitute. So it's going to be 6 times 8 plus length times height. Here is 7. So plus width by height, 8 times 7. And then we solve at the end. So 48 plus 42 plus 56, 90 and 56 is 146. And again here we're looking at centimeters, and again here we're looking at area, so centimeters squared. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to ask your teacher in class. Bye.